Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your theme on Discord. So some people like light theme, some people like dark theme. So I'm going to show you how to customize that. So first things first, we're going to need to go to your Discord profile. That's on the bottom right corner's icon with your little profile picture. We're going to click on that and that will bring us here. So we're going to scroll down. We have the first thing that shows up is like these billing settings, and then we have app settings. So we have voice and then we have appearance. We're going to click on appearance. And as you can see, the first thing that shows up is theme. We have light, dark, and automatic flows system settings. So the light one looks like this. And the dark one looks like this. We're going to keep it on dark, but that's how you change it. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.